Where would your business be without data? As your data assets grow and evolve, so do your security risks. New types of attacks arise every day, which can result in lowered efficiency, data theft, or total service disruption. Data breaches are a never-ending road that leads to dissatisfied customers, brand damage, and huge financial losses. Just wondering how to protect your business from these risks is enough to keep you up at night. Unfortunately, threats and security breaches can't be fixed with cybersecurity technology alone. In fact, adding countless antivirus programs, firewalls, intrusion detection or prevention systems will simply overwhelm your IT staff. Your team will try hard to make sense of all that data, but alerts and vulnerabilities will fall between the cracks, which keeps your business vulnerable instead of adding a layer of protection. Above Security is on your side. Above Security protects your data with reliable 24/7 managed security and consulting services, providing a personalized approach to suit your business needs and protect your confidential information. Our intelligent Archangel technology automatically scans your data and raises flags when threats of any size or type are detected. Then our security experts work directly with your IT team to eliminate, mitigate, and respond to these threats. This collaborative approach provides an environment of trust and significantly increases the speed to resolution, so you and your IT team can focus on running your business. Trust Above Security to monitor and protect your sensitive data, for you to finally get a good night of sleep.